Welcome back. If you're after a single machine that can microwave, toast, bake, roast, and even air fry, you're in the right place. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best microwave toaster oven combos picked for those who want everything. Let's jump right in. At number 1, we have the GE GCST10A1WSS. This model delivers a true microwave toaster oven combo. 1.0 cubic foot capacity, 1050 watts of power, with built-in air fry mode, convection cook, and broil. Why we love it? You get microwave speed, convection crisping, and broil/grill effects all in one unit. Pros: multi-mode functionality, microwave plus convection plus broil plus air fry, mid-sized 1.0 cubic foot, suitable for most kitchens, trusted brand with solid features. Cons: slightly higher price than basic microwaves, requires some rack/turntable management when switching modes. Summary: if you want one machine that handles reheating, toasting/grilling, baking, and air frying, this is a top pick. Next up, Black & Decker ES9P032NA, a strong value combo. It offers 0.9 cubic feet capacity, 900 watts, and 5 key cooking modes: microwave, air fry, combi, grill/convection, bake, and roast. Why we picked it? Excellent value for money if you want combo capability without premium price. Pros: 5-in-1 functionality, compact footprint, great for smaller kitchens, air fry presets built in. Cons: slightly lower power, 900 watts, so may take a bit longer for certain tasks. Fewer advanced features compared to high-end models. Summary: if budget matters and you still want microwave plus toaster oven combo features, this is a smart choice. Next up, Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1, BMO870BSS. This is a premium countertop combo offering microwave, convection oven, and air fryer all rolled into one. Why it stands out? The Element IQ system steers power where it's needed. You get crisp air-fried results, true bake/roast performance, and microwave convenience. Pros: premium build and finishes, advanced features, air fry plus convection plus microwave, ideal for cooking enthusiasts. Cons: higher price point, slightly larger footprint, needs countertop space. Summary: if you're willing to invest and want top performance from your combo appliance, this is it. At number 4, we have the Toshiba Combo 8-in-1, model ML2EC10SAA. This is one of the most feature-rich countertop combos, offering microwave, convection, broil, toast/grill functions, and more in one unit. The Amazon link is provided. Pros: broad mode set, good value, strong brand reliability. Cons: with many modes, the learning curve may be longer and capacity may feel average compared to large standalone ovens. If you want lots of flexibility from one appliance and like exploring different cooking modes, this one gives you a lot. Next up, Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1. With microwave, convection, broil, and air fry modes in one, it gives excellent versatility in a mid-tier price range. Why it made the list? Balanced features, good performance, and versatile cooking options. Pros: 4-in-1 functionality, even cooking performance, good brand reputation. Cons: may require time to master all modes, slightly smaller capacity than some large units. Summary: a very solid all-rounder for everyday households who want flexibility without extreme cost. Here's a side-by-side comparison so you can see how they stack up. If you want the ultimate all-in-one, go with GE GCST10A1WSS. Best value? Black & Decker ES9P032NA. Premium build, Breville Combi Wave. Large capacity on a budget, Toshiba EC042A5C-SS. Balanced all-rounder, Panasonic Home Chef. Click the links in the description to check current prices and availability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more appliance reviews. See you next time.